Namaste all. I welcome you for my 30 days live healing challenge where we heal health, relationship, career and money areas. Today is day 22 and we are going to heal anxiety. Let's begin. Close your eyes, put hands on your heart and repeat after me. I choose to acknowledge my anxiety. I understand it comes to protect me. I accept it with compassion. It is a reflection of my unhealed parts. It is a signal that I need love, not fear. I accept this anxiety because it is teaching me something valuable. I accept it because avoiding it creates more suffering. I accept it because I am ready to grow. It's a part of human experience and I accept it because it's okay to feel this way sometimes. Now I choose to let it go. I let it go, this anxiety, because I deserve peace. I let it go because it's no longer serve me. I let it go. Now I am safe. I choose freedom and I trust the process of life. I take 100% responsibility for creating and holding this anxiety because my thoughts and emotions created my reality. I take 100% responsibility because I gave my energy to fearful beliefs. I didn't know how to handle pain. My inner child was unheard. I take 100% responsibility because I didn't forgive myself or others fully. I accept you, anxiety. Dear anxiety, you came to protect me. I accept you, dear anxiety. You showed me where I was still hurt. Dear anxiety, you made me stronger. You helped me pause and go within. I accept you, dear anxiety. You taught me to be in present. You are part of me. I created you unconsciously. I choose fear instead of faith, and I resisted life. I made you part of my identity. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for ignoring my needs, dear anxiety. I'm sorry for silencing my truth, dear anxiety. I'm sorry for judging my fears, dear anxiety. I'm sorry for neglecting my inner child and holding on the pain. Please forgive me for not trusting the universe and allowing fear to lead. Please forgive me for trying to control everything, for believing I am not enough. And please forgive me for not being kind to myself. Thank you, anxiety, for showing me the path. Dear anxiety, thank you for helping me to grow, for teaching me the acceptance, and for awakening my healing. Dear anxiety, thank you for reminding me to love myself. I love you, anxiety. You are a part of me. You are safe to release. I love you because you no longer need to protect me. I love myself through this. I choose to love over fear. I release you. You have taught me your lessons. You have done your part. I honor the purpose. You are free now, and I am ready for peace. I let you go because I am safe. I choose freedom because I deserve joy. Because I am enough, I am healed. Take a deep breath. release it. Okay, let's move to third technique. It's EFT. Just repeat after me and follow what I will do. At the karate chop point, tap and say, even though I feel this anxiety, I deeply and completely love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Even though I have this anxiety for so many years, in spite of that, I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Even though I hold it, carried it as a stress, burden, in spite of that, I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Two fingers. Here, I release all the fear, all tension and worry from mind and body. Release. I release the root of anxiety from every cell, every memory, and from every timeline. Release. I let go of fear of unknown and need of control. Release. I release the need to stay in anxiety mode. Release. I am safe now. I letting go of all survival stress stored in my nervous system. Release. I release the weight of everything I have been carrying silently. Whatever burden, heaviness, baggage carrying, all release. Here, collarbone point. Anything and everything about this anxiety, whatever I have created, knowingly and unknowingly, release. I release all the level, layers, and aspect of it related to anxiety. Release. Anxiety from my childhood, past life, and from everywhere. Release. Everything about it. Release. All the anxiety from my health area. Release. All the anxiety from my relationship area. Release. I release all the anxiety from my career area. Release. And I release all the anxiety from money, financial area. Release. I release all my rejection. I release all my stress and fear. I release anxiety of not being enough. I release everything completely. Take a deep breath. All the remaining anxiety, whatever I have, release. Anything and everything about anxiety, release. All my childhood anxieties, release. Memories of anxiety, release. Experiences of anxiety, release. All type of anxiety, release. Whatever anxiety I have stored till date, release. Any type of anxiety, anything related anxiety, release. Everything about anxiety, release. All anxiety, release. Lifetime anxiety, release. Whatever remaining anxiety I have about health, release. Remaining anxiety about my relationship, release. Whatever remaining anxiety I have about my career, release. Whatever remaining anxiety I have about money, release. Releasing anxiety completely from my mind, body, soul, from everywhere from my life, completely release. Take a deep breath and release it. Okay, you need to practice this multiple times. I will be uploading this video. Just go to video and repeat it again and again and practice along with this until you feel 100% comfortable and relaxed. I'm sure you are feeling now. Still, you need to practice it more. If you want to learn the science behind this technique and want to release any specific emotional issue with me, along with some more advanced technique, book the one-on-one call. Next month onward, I will be attending those one-on-one call and will start healing the people. So make sure you book and be ready from the next month onward. Visit my website. You will get a 6 gift there. First, you will get the book. The book will help you to get the 100 emotional clarity, complete emotional clarity, we can say, about understanding your emotions, what you feel, why emotions come, understanding your loop, like your emotional pattern, why in certain pattern you are feeling the emotions. And then you will understand your limiting beliefs which is holding you back. There are a lot of exercises in that book is mentioned. Go on website and download it and do the practice. If you need any kind of help, I'm there. Book one call, I'll guide you. There are a lot of other 5 to 6 free one-on-one session on various things like finding a job, writing resume, creating all-star LinkedIn profile, also about the learning the law of attraction, manifesting anything, then about your affirmations, on life coaching, those kind of one-on-one is free. Book the one-on-one call and I'll help you. If you want to learn EFT and NLP and Ho'oponopono, practically I'll show you how to do it so you can use it for entire life. Okay, so for now, thank you very much for allowing me to heal. Keep healing, keep growing. Let's heal together, let's grow together. Thank you.